All right, got a new tenant coming in to the building. Owner wants us to make sure that this thing is in good operating condition for the new tenants. Somebody clearly doesn't like doing their job. Let's see what we got. That doesn't make any sense. I got voltage. It's 240. It's only single phase. No disconnect. Three phase, single phase. Well, this just got fun. Let's see if we can find out what this is doing. All right. Get you on there. We're dead. Show you what we have. Two single amp 30 breakers. Beautiful. It's exactly how we do things. See if we can get this corrected. All right, so after talking with the owner, property manager, not the owner. The owner is going to be fighting with the last tenant for this one. So many issues. But this will probably not be the last that you see of this one. We'll most likely be back in another week or so getting this one all fixed up for her. Till then, we'll see you guys later.